Now we'll take a look at duplicating objects and also adding colors and textures. So sometimes you need a duplicate of something and an identical match, like you need two arms or two legs that you want to look the same. Very simple to do. So select your object and press Shift-D, and you will get a duplicate. And again, you can press X so that it moves directly across the X-axis, so they're right across from each other. Now to add some color. So select the object that you want to change the color of, and then go over to Materials. So right now, no material has been assigned to this. It's just this plain gray. And if we render it, that's what you'll see. So I'm going to add a new material. And by default, it's going to be white. Let's change the color. All right, so that's in diffuse. You can change the intensity of that. It's kind of like color saturation. You can also change what's called specular, or the reflection. So maybe you don't want this to be a reflective material, just flat. So you can reduce that just by clicking and dragging there. You can also change the color that it reflects. So a little bit of a green there, or red. Now maybe I want this shape to be the exact same material. You don't have to make a new material. Just click on this little Browse Material button, and it's already there. And it might be nice to keep names of all these. We may have more than one type of blue, so I'll just call this blue barrel. Let's look at this cylinder. So again, I'll make a new, and this I'll have as green. So far all we have here are some solid colors. You may want to try adding textures. So let's call this green. With lime green. Well, let's put a texture on this cube here. Now, the cube is that first thing you get when you open Blender. It already has a material assigned to it. I'll call this marble, because I'm going to put a marble texture on it. You get a texture, go over to the texture button, and then under type, there's a bunch of preset ones here, and there's one called marble, and you'll see the pattern that it looks like here. You can change your views to see that. And for some reason, by default, you get this pinkish purplish color. If you scroll down, that's it right there. We can change that to something else. Now, marble, maybe I'll go with a nice dark color here. All right, so let's go up and take a look. Okay, now textures, you're only going to see when you render. Okay, so there's my marble. And the material that's assigned also plays a role in this. So if I change the color of this material, the white, it's also going to change here. Back over in your textures options, there's all kinds of stuff you can experiment with here. And if you re-render, you'll see the changes.